Hey everybody, this is Hayden with Trade In Tech, and in this video I want to talk to you about the membership options that we have available on our platform. So right here, if you want to update your membership, or if you haven't already signed up, you can just go to tradeintech.com. When you sign up, you can actually go under here to the top corner and go to membership. Now we have three different options available. When you first get started, you'll get set up with the starter package, which means you'll get a 30-day trial for only $1, and then you'll get unlimited access to everything for $59 per month. Now, once you join, you have the option as well to upgrade to our annual plan. When you upgrade to our annual plan, you will get 2 months free, and you'll only pay $599 per year. And then if you want to have your company sponsored above everybody else, we have the featured member section as well. We charge $5,999 per year, and you will get the maximum exposure for your brand. So I'm going to talk about each one of these and break them down for you. When you go to this membership section here, you'll be able to see the specific packages you will have available. You can also go to My Subscriptions and see the specific packages you are subscribed to. If you want to cancel them at any time, you can just click Cancel right on the packages. Right now, this is the admin section, so all of them are available to select a plan. If you want to select a plan or change one, just click these buttons and you'll be able to update it anytime. If you want to see the comparison as well, you'll be able to go to all the plans here and see the comparisons. Everybody will get access to all the members, all the features. You'll be able to create your profile. You'll get a live activity feed, private messaging, the marketplace with no fees, directory listings. You'll be able to create private groups, join our live chat rooms, publish blogs, get free training, rate users with our specific user rating system, get analytics on your profile, and you also get fraud monitoring and account support. And if you upgrade to the annual plan, you'll get 2 months free. And if you upgrade to the featured member plan, you'll get a featured member badge, a featured directory listing, featured marketplace listings, homepage advertisement, and member page advertisement as well. Now guys, I want to talk to you about this featured member for a second. Most people get set up with the starter package and the annual plan, but anybody who really wants to explode their business and get the maximum exposure, we have the featured member. So in order to get access to that, the first thing I want to show you guys is you can actually go on to tradeintech.com, and you'll be able to see all featured members are sponsored on the front page. So this alone is going to get you 30 to 40,000 views minimum per month on your brand. So you'll be sponsored on the home page to begin. You will also be sponsored on the member section. So we have a lot of members on here. When you scroll down, you have to go through a lot of people, and it constantly updates as well. When you're a featured member, you're featured here at the top, and everybody sees you first. You can also go to a directory here, and you can see all the businesses as well. Your business will be featured on the top here above everybody else's. Extremely powerful. And on top of this as well, the most powerful feature of all is you will be sponsored on the marketplace, which means that all of your featured listings will be sponsored right here, and you can sponsor all of your items, and they will be listed above everybody else. Now, any members will be able to also go onto your profile and see that you are a featured member. You will have the badge here. The badge will stick out, and the badge will be notified on all of your marketplace listings and everything else that you create as well. And this is the benefits of becoming a featured member. So if you want to go under here, you can go to your membership section. You can upgrade to the annual plan or the featured member plan. Or if you haven't gotten started already, you can just go to tradeintech.com and get started with the starter package and try out a 30-day trial for only $1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a little something new. Make sure to get on tradeintech.com and become involved. All of our members are verified, and we'll make sure that we provide you with the highest quality leads and the highest quality clients to grow your business. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you later.